Unearthed Horrors of History, where history meets horror. In the heart of communist-era Poland, amid the factories and coal mines of Upper Silesia, in the shadows of a forgotten town, terror had a name. Joachim Knychala, the Vampire of Upper Silesia. To neighbors, he was quiet, polite, a family man who worked the night shift and kept to himself. When the sun set, something inside him changed. The man vanished, and the monster awoke. His first known victim was Elżbieta Mikułowa, 20 years old in 1975. She was attacked while returning home from a visit to her mother. Her body was discovered near the stairwell of her apartment block in Bytom, strangled and brutally beaten. They thought it was love turned violent. They were wrong. In 1976, he struck again. Teresa Rims became his next target, just 23 years old. She was on her way to the market when Knychala dragged her into a stairwell and strangled her. When investigators arrived, they found her skirt torn and blood smeared on the wall. The killer had left behind no fingerprints, only chaos. It was then that whispers began, of a vampire haunting the industrial towns. His next victim, Ewa Wozniak, only 17, disappeared in 1979 after meeting friends in Piekary Śląskie. Her body was found days later near a wooded path, strangled and assaulted. The brutality was increasing, each crime more violent, more ritualistic. In 1980, Maria Kuchapska, 18, was killed in a nearly identical fashion. After her death, fear consumed Upper Silesia. Conversations stopped mid-sentence, and empty streets echoed with unease, unsure who the darkness would claim next. By 1982, the police had no leads, no clear suspect, until the killer made a mistake. Maria Bober, his last known victim, the one who refused to die in silence. She survived long enough to describe him, a tall, pale man with dark hair and calm, emotionless eyes. Her hand shook as she pointed to a single face. The man with calm, empty eyes. The face she'd never forget. When police arrested him, they found a man disturbingly composed. He confessed without hesitation to 5 murders and several failed attempts. He said the urge came like a storm, a consuming hunger to strangle, to kill, to violently taste blood. Hence his nickname, the Vampire of Upper Silesia. He sat through his trial in silence. No remorse, no emotion. Just empty eyes staring into nothing. The court sentenced him to death. In March 1985, Joachim Knychala was executed by hanging in Krakow prison. He was 33 years old. 5 souls lost to a monster hiding in plain sight. A man who looked human, but wasn't. The vampire is gone. But the fear he left behind still lingers in the dark corners of Bytom. This has been Unearthed Horrors of History, where history meets horror. And if you love unraveling history's darkest legends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more chilling stories. Follow Unearthed Horrors of History, where history meets horror. Find us on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. And if you've got a story to tell, email me at casefilestrucrime@yahoo.com.